Today I am going to share with you one project which I completed final year. I was studying in PDPU and I completed my bachelor's in computer engineering. So with my internship I did one side project also, and my live project was about transferring the image and also other documents with the help of Heroku, and using the backend as a Python and front end as a Django. So in this project, actually I created a server which can transfer the image without degrading its quality. So let's see how the project looks like, right? Yeah. So my app name, which I saved in the Heroku, is as a fast transfer. Suppose I give it as name as suppose anything like currently as a Akshit as my room number, and my username is suppose ABCD. So right, so I will enter the room with the name Akshit and my username will be ABCD. Now suppose I am transferring any of the image. For an example, I am transferring any of the image. Suppose I am transferring this image, right? Now as soon as I press on send, the transfer speed will be very fast compared to the existing one, and also just now I have uploaded it to the 173 kbs. So I tried that while transferring it will not degrade, right? So this is not the received file. As soon as I will again log into some other page and I will show you what will be the size, right? Yeah. I will enter the same room name but the other username. Suppose I enter Ankit. Yeah. So I will get that image size. As soon as I will click on view, I will be able to download it. You can say I have downloaded it. I will just go to downloads. You can check over here, it is 173 KB only, and you can check the dimensions 173 KB and download it today only. I will show you the properties also. Yeah, 173 1504, that is the current time which I am recording the screen, right? So it is of the current time which I have done. So the main thing is transferring of image and other documents without degrading its quality and the fast transfer. So basically what I have done over here is I have created one function. With the help of operating systems, I tried to do this, and along with that I am noting down the client IP address, which will help me to backtrack the first image whoever has uploaded it, right? So for the security purpose and for helping the Indian police or any agencies in future, so like privacy wise it's always safe if you are guys are having not sharing anything wrong which is against the Indian, so like wise you it will be better. So this is just the demo example which I have created. It's not the full app, and just the thoughts which I transferred to my project. Thank you.